Do you have kids and feel like others are judging you based on your child's behavior? A new poll says if you do feel that way, you're often right. You are being judged, and it's mostly being done by people who don't have kids of their own. 8 out of 10 parents feel judged for the behavior of their children and teens, according to a new IPSOS poll surveying people from 28 countries. However, it turns out that perceived judgment is real and not imagined.
Do you ever judge other people based on the behavior of their kids?
Oh yeah, for sure, yeah.
Like, some people they raise their kids differently, or sometimes they do it a different way that they don't think it's right.
The data shows on average 82% of parents reported feelings of judgment. That number increasing to about 90% in Singapore, the United States, and South Korea, while the lowest portion of parents feeling judged is in Sweden at 3%.
I guess if people don't know me, they just kind of see it from their point of view. But people who know me, I'm comfortable.
The judgment parents feel is real. On average, 81% of non-parents said they judge parents, with the most judgment occurring in Canada and the United States, the least judgment taking place in China. Now, truth be told, I don't have any kids, but that could change any day now. My wife is 9 months pregnant. My brother has 3 kids, and I will admit there have been times where the peace and quiet has been slightly disrupted by the high-pitched screaming of 3 little girls, and I found myself judging him.
So it's interestingly, I never felt like you were judging me for my daughters or their behavior, but I definitely would have judged other parents differently prior to having kids. Like, I think just what you deem acceptable changes because of your situation.
The judgment reported in the study was from people who didn't have children of their own. And like Brian, other parents I spoke with also acknowledged prior to being caregivers, they were also more judgmental. But things change when you become a parent.
As you mature and you had way more experience, you just kind of learn to be more patient, I'd say.
Same.
The study says feeling judged can impact a parent's mental health and has shown evidence of impairing children's development. If you are a parent who feels like you're struggling and seeking support, please contact the Parent Support Line at the number below. It's free and confidential. In Winnipeg, Mark Neufeld, City News.